There's a reel from the bird. They have to calling back. Try again, Sunny. Yeah. Take so long time to learn the bird language. It's hard to learn the bird voice. Higher tone, lower tone have to be different accents. And the sound of female and male one also different.
Yeah.
That is one of the bird is calling hornbill.
Hornbill.
The one like a big rhino head.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we are going to exit this lagoon now. I'm still quite amazed by that there's actually something like this that exists. Man, this is tight. I mean, you can sit up and it's pretty intense. You got to lay down into the canoe. The rocks are literally about 2 inches away from your face. Yeah, it looks like piranha. It's like a mouth and lots of jagged teeth, red eyes. Wow.
Or like donut, like lagoon in here.
Yeah.
Made by rain illusion.
Wow, look how sharp that
You
is.
can see the right side there. The shape of this rock, they look like a dolphin. Yeah.
Ah, yeah. That rock right there looks like a dolphin. That is pretty cool.
And on the way we come, we can walk on.
That's where we came from. A little cave right there, a little hole.
Okay.
We just got back on the boat. We're gonna, I guess, stay around here for maybe another hour or so or something like that. And we're gonna have dinner. These guys are cooking dinner here. And I don't know what it is, but it smells really good. So let's take a look and see what they're doing. good? Hom?
Tom yum.
Tom yum.
Yeah. Tom yum chicken. Chicken.
Tom yum kai.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pat.
Oh, pot. Okay. Good jump. Woo! Yeah.
That's how to making Thailand origami. Okay? And you have to open again. You see little gap over here. But they got like different style, like beer and myself. Beer, he have to making easy style.
Easy style.
Easy style.
Lettuce.
Burger.
Burger.
My style is copy burger.
Cute.
Oh, nice.
They got the red contact lens. About like they float the bad luck away in the water. So we have to put the three of the incense stick because they have over three different meaning. The first one we represent for monk, and the second for Buddha, and last one for the Buddhist scripture like Bible. Okay. And candle is meaning barbecue. Dốt em ơi hả? Coi luôn đi. Lại vô tóc rồi đi. Đúng rồi, đi lên rồi. Hai đứa. Của em. Nè, con đi về lễ em không phải nhờ tao không tao. Right now I'm gonna serve you your super. Okay. This is your appetizer. We call tom yum gai. Tom yum gai, gai is meaning chicken. Okay. Yeah.
This cave won't be as rough going in. It is 200 meters, you said?
Yeah, around there.
Okay. Wow, big cave. Yeah, there's kind of a musty smell in here. It's from bats, apparently. Let me turn you around so you can see. Whew, one just flew out. Wow, that's a lot of bats. Wow, this is a really big cave.
Happy Singaporean.
Sticking
down. Just float and make this photograph. You are recording. Let them free.
Big fire. What is that? Like a
Plankton.
plankton?
Yeah, bioluminescent.
Wow.
You can put your hand in the water. And you can see all the
Oh wow, that's wild. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, that was the final cave and it was pretty incredible going through there, and it was the Bat Cave. What was really interesting was that whole plankton thing. I've never even heard of anything like that before, but it's pretty cool.
Welcome to Phuket on visitor. We are so sad on the past last 2.5 years by COVID-19, but now we're happy with the nice season. It's more tourism coming back to make more work for us, our Thai local worker. Yeah.
Right, yes.
Okay. It's all nice, natural. No one destroyed by men. Yeah. One day you see us, and also I will say hello to all my return customers. If you see myself on that YouTuber, hey, just say hello, welcome to Thailand, and yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.